Attach the thinly spread pad to my foot. It's a great substitute for a foot file. If you have a problem with thick, cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. Although it looks strange, its effectiveness is fantastic. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular pad and a paste that you can make at home. Into a bowl, I squeeze toothpaste. Most people don't know that it has a brilliant effect on the skin. It has exfoliating properties. It gently removes dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Next, I add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the consistency of the paste. Additionally, it has antibacterial properties. It calms inflammation. Baking soda also has a softening effect on the skin. It enhances the action of the paste. I apply the prepared paste onto a regular pad. I don't skimp and apply a really thick layer. Then I place a clean foot on top of it. It's important that the heel doesn't protrude. I secure this compress with a sock. It presses the paste onto the leg perfectly and prevents it from shifting. We leave it on for 2 hours. After that time, we remove the sock and wash our feet with lukewarm water. Gently massage in circular motions. I repeat this procedure once a week. Cracks and fungal infections will disappear, and the feet are as soft as a baby's. The best foot soak you can give your feet. It's my neighbor Dorothy's secret recipe. One very important ingredient is oregano, an underrated herb with cleansing, regenerating, and naturally antibacterial properties. Add a generous handful of oregano to a pot and pour in about 1 pint of water. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes, then strain. Pour about 1 cup of white vinegar into a bowl. In a separate bowl, add 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda softens the skin, refreshes it, soothes irritation, and helps remove calluses. Place your feet in the bowl and pour the warm oregano infusion over them. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda on top and let it work. The combination of oregano tea and baking soda acts like a natural spa treatment. It softens the skin, refreshes it, and helps clear the pores, leaving your feet smooth and comfortable. Keep your feet in the soak for about 20 minutes to end your day with a touch of home relaxation.